Hello students, welcome to the another lecture. In this lecture we are doing exercise 3.1 question number 8 for class 7th. So the question is already on the screen. The rainfall in the city of 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. So this is the rainfall in mm. First part, let's solve the first part. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. What is the range? Range is the difference between the maximum rainfall and minimum rainfall. So for this question, range is equals to maximum rainfall minus minimum rainfall. So what is the maximum rainfall? Let's observe. So maximum rainfall is 20.5 and the minimum rainfall is 0. Both are in mm. So the difference will be 20.5 mm. So this is the range for the given data. Let's do the second part. In second part we will have to calculate the mean rainfall of the week. So mean is equals to the sum of rainfalls divided by the number of days. Divide by the number of days. Sum is equals to 0.0 12.2 plus 2.1 plus again 0.0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1.0. Divide by the number of days. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There are 7 days in total. So let's add 2 over 1 3 and 5 10 13 3 1 carry 5 6 7 8 9 10 or 11 1 carry 2 or 2 4 41.3 divided by 7, which is equals to 5.9 mm. Everything is in mm. All these numbers are in mm. So the mean rainfall is 5.9 mm. This is the mean rainfall is equals to 5.9 mm. Let's read the third part. On how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? So it's depend, all answer is depend on the observation. Let's see, the mean rainfall is 5.9. So 5.9 less than 5.9 is this day, this day, this day, and this day, and this day. So all these days has the only except Thursday and Tuesday, all these days has the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. So answer of the third part is, we can write Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Thursday, Saturday and Sunday are those days which has the rainfall less than the mean fall. These are the days, is equals to the 5 days. Total are 5 days which has less rainfall than their mean rainfall. So question number 8 is completed. Let's do the next question in next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.